But remember, as a Christian, you will never be out of the box. Because the Lord is setting boundaries for you. Diri ra ka tama nak, diri ra ka tama nak. And kana siya nga boundaries, ingon ang Bible in the New Testament, once you follow Jesus, magkagabay na siya nga box. Imong path, unsay ingon ni Jesus? If you follow me, ang path nimo mahimo narrow. And many of us doesn't want a narrow path. I want to do this. Nganon di man ni pwede. Nganon di man na pwede. Ingon ang Bible, dili na pwede. Magka-narrow ang atong path, magkagamay. Nganong kinahanglan maka mo submit to authority? Because you're under authority. And the moment you don't understand that, that's the moment mahimo kang prideful and mahimo tang rebellious. Pride igsuon would lead to rebellion. Kana bitang tanaw nimo sakto ka, tanaw nimo kaya na ako ni bahalag mauna. And tanaw nimo sa imong kagalingon, I can make myself this and that. Igsuon, I tell you, once pride is reigning in your heart, you will next be rebellious. You will do what you want to do. You don't want to be within the boundaries. Boundaries will protect you. The fence, the box, the fence, na diri ra ka kutob, will protect you. The moment magbuot ka sa imong gusto igsuon, you're like Lucifer becoming Satan. Pride would destroy any relationship. Walay tinuod nga panalangin sa trabaho, sa pamilya, sa career, sa ministry. Walay anything nga buhaton nimo nga naa ang panalangin sa Dios if you're proud. Ask yourself today, nganong tanan akong buhaton mag-fail? Nganong tanan akong buhaton palpak? Nganong walay success? Because you're proud. God opposes the proud. When you're humble, the blessing of God, the miracles of God, the hands of God will work beyond your imagination. Igsoon, when you struggle with relationship, do not push that you are right. Talk to the person. Yes, maybe you're right. But talk to the person and meet in the middle. Bahalag sakit sa imong dughan. Bahalag murag mubuto imong dughan kay sayop man gyud ni siya. Pero for the sake of kana bitang relationship, meet in the middle. Ayaw pug sugot nga buhaton nila ilang tanang gusto. Kay that's weak leadership. Kana bitang sige na lang. Passive na ka ba? Mediocre na ka? Kapoy na ko glaban diri. Ako, I have the tendency to do that. Then I realized, this is not who I am. I'm a leader, and I'm an excellent one. Tanan ipabuhat sa kuha, kinahanglan, muingon akong master, my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, well done. That's my goal. Tanan niya ipabuhat na ako ra yung goal, bahalag kakamang ko sa kalisod, bahalag unsa na kapait, ako ra yung goal is to glorify His name. Muingon siya, well done, anak. You did great. And the key to that, humility.